Look, Shaniqua, we're going to be late for class. Let's go. Look, we have a surprise check. Let's get out all of our supplies. This welding class is so hard.
I know.
Miss Lucretia, we're ready.
Okay. Do you guys have your agendas? Okay, what about your notebooks? Okay, and you guys have all your supplies?
Mm-hmm. Yep. We got our welder, our handy dandy safety mittens, and our rupture that's.
And what about your textbook?
Mm-hmm.
She gets a textbook. You have it in your bag.
We have our textbook.
Okay. Alright, you guys, now we're going to pair up into groups, and you guys are going to make picture frames. Shaniqua and Shanae, you guys are going to group together.
Alright. My picture frame's done, Miss Lucretia.
Okay, good job, guys. Okay. Now we're going to have a notebook check from all the notes you took from from yesterday's class. Okay, good job, Shaniqua. What about you, Shanae? Good job. Alright. Now you guys are going to look up the definitions in your book and write down what they mean.
Shaniqua, you look them up and read them to me. I don't really feel like looking
Whatever.
up stuff. Dude, what's taking so long?
I don't know where they're at.
Oh my gosh, don't you know your textbook? All the words are in the back. You need to be prepared.
Yay. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're done.